Done. Now we are going to see the Murray machine now, and we are going to design the sequence. We are going to detect the sequence that is 101 with the help of Murray machine. Now we have seen for the Mealy machine how many states will require, how to draw the diagram and state table also, right? But in the Murray machine, the only one step is different, rest of the things are same like that of the Mealy machine. Now in case of Mealy machine, for designing the same sequence 101, how many states were required? 3. But here in the Murray machine, how many states plus 1? How many states will require? 4. How many bits are there? 3. So how many states are required here? How many states are required? 4. That is S0, S1, S2 and S3. Yes or no? Anybody is having a problem up till here? Now, rest of the things are same like that of Mealy machine. That is only the difference. Now I am starting from the initial state, that is S0. Now what is my first bit? 1. So that, as I have told you, if you want to detect the bit, you need to go from the one state to another state. If the state is available, that is 1 I have written over here. Yes or no? Anyone is having a problem? Now, initially, and this is what 0, क्योंकि हर एक स्टेट से 2 लाइन जाती है, एक 1 इनपुट के लिए we need to check and for another input for 0. Got it? So where we are now? At S1, and at S1 we have detected the sequence that is 1. Yes or no? So what you need to do for the next connection? So you need to write here this one as it is. So the next connection either 0 or 1. Yes or no? So for this, except this one, you need to check for this 0. So 0 is available in the square box. 0 available है square box में. मेरा sequence है next. Yes. So if my sequence is there, then you need to go from one state to another state if it is available. Yes or no? उसके बाद, what is my next sequence? 1. Is the 1 is available in the square box, and ये square box मतलब किसके related है? S1 के related. So that my line will become over. Understood everyone? Up till here. Now we are here and I have the sequence that is 1 0. I have the sequence 1 0. So that this is 1 0 1 0 as it is. Now next is either 0 or 1. So what about next connection? You need to check for this 0 0. Is the 0 0 available over here? Yes or no? So leave it. Is the 0 available over here? No. Is my next bit is 0? So we need to go for the initial state. Yes or no? Initial state. So this is what? This is what? S2. Sorry. This is what? S2 say? This is what my 0. Anybody is having a problem up till here? Anyone? उसके बाद you need to check for 0 1. Is the 0 1 available over here? Yes. So 1. This is what my 1. So is my 1 is next bit to detect? Yes. So if the state is available, you can go from one state to another state. That is what about the 1. मतलब हर एक स्टेट से 2 लाइन गई है, S2 का भी होता है. Now we are here. That is 1 0 and 1. This is extra stage that is not included in the Mealy machine. That is only the difference. Yes, 1 0 1. तो मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे 1 0 1 लिख दिया और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 0 नहीं तो क्या आएगा 1. So you need to check the 3 last digit. 0 1 0 है यहाँ पे, 0 1 0 है यहाँ पे, 1 0 है यहाँ पे, 1 0 है यहाँ पे. So from S3 to S2 एक connection आएगा, but for my which input? Which input? 0 के. Got it? Now for this one, 0 1 1 available है यहाँ पे square box में नहीं. 1 1 available है square box में. 1 available है square box में. कहाँ पे है? S1. So from S3 to again S2. So this is what my S3 to. Got it, everyone? Now, after writing all the connections and all, so what we did in the Mealy, we have written oblique 0. आउटपुट कैसे लिखते थे हम? इनपुट ऑब्लिक आउटपुट. लेकिन यहाँ पे मूरी में रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिफरेंट है, खाली रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिफरेंट है. तो आउटपुट कहाँ पे लिखना है? इनसाइड सर्कल वी हैव रिटन द स्टेट नेम. दिस इज फर्स्ट स्टेट, राइट? S0. तो S0 लिखा है. तो आपको क्या लिखना है? यहाँ पे आउटपुट लिखना है, दैट इज 0. यस, यहाँ पे भी क्या आ गया? 0. यहाँ पे भी 0. मेरा एंड कहाँ पे हुआ है? सीक्वेंस कब डिटेक्ट हुआ है? 101, ये वाले स्टेट. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा? 1. नो नीड टू राइट दिस व्हाट वी रिटन इन द Mealy case. That is only the difference between the representation. Rest of the things are same. Got it, everyone? And from this state diagram, you can draw the state table. Already I have explained you in the Mealy wale case. State diagram, state table is very simple. Got it?